A long time ago, it was Mad Men style. Experiences were thought of as all creative endeavors. Now, if you are a CMO of a large Fortune 2000 company, you have to be a data scientist. And as I said before, I'm going to be a broken record here, the future of marketing, the future of experiential marketing is the perfect balance between the creative side and the data side. So what we've decided to do is actually take major experiential endeavors from Fortune 2000 businesses generally and turn this into the same kind of data that we would expect from AdWords, that we'd expect from digital marketing platforms. Because if we can look at the CTR of an ad and the click and the conversion and the CAC and the LTV and all of this, and we say digital marketing is so great because we have real-time data at our fingertips about what is working and what's not, we can actually build out the same for experiential. And a few of the things that we really love to measure. Number one, channel segmentation. Number two, purchase behavior, NPS score, loyalty, reviews, social posting, geolocation, merchandise sales. And part of our job is to continuously find new types of data to pull in and synthesize with this massive data set. And we see this working across makeup workshops. And what we've started to do is pull in a lot of qualitative data in addition to quantitative, run natural language processing on top of all of this qualitative data, so we can actually see what are the main factors. It's not enough to say that these experiences are positive enough, or positive or not. We want to actually see what are the main factors that are actually making this work. And you can actually see from every specific class and from every specific demographic, what are the things that are making these experiences successful or not. And we take this data, we bring it back to the brands we work with, and we start to iterate and continuously segment these experiences. We see online classes, right? And again, a lot of companies start with this because it's very much more affordable to scale. And we say, are you trying to build these for existing customers to increase retention, increase LTV, or are you trying to bring in new customers and grow your community? And we want to measure this down to the actual person, look at gender, look at age, look at behavior, to better understand really the power of these. We see influencers as a part of this, right? And I like to say a lot of bad stuff about influencers because I think it's kind of silly, but also when things become live, when you take something from Instagram, like a posting, and you create something that's live, it becomes an experience. And so we see some brands saying, look, we've always had this stuff on Instagram, but what if we could actually turn this into an experience and kind of blend those worlds of social media influencers, but also actually affect three of the senses. And what we see is that the ROI actually just spikes. Literally, the act of taking something that's always existed on Instagram and making it live and giving people a two-way interaction creates so much more engagement than anything else.